Howdy! Copyright claim! How to fix it? Fast and easy! Watch this video! Guys, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon sa video na ito ay kung paano nyo aayusin pag nagkaroon kayo ng copyright claim. Okay, so dito sa ginawa kong video kanina, nag-appear na a copyright owner claimed some content in your video. Ayan, Las Rosas Village Shopping Outlet, Madrid, Spain. Please note, this is not a copyright strike. Okay, so we have the options. Ayan. Tingnan natin ang options. So, makikita nyo rito, ineligible. Video cannot be monetized. Ayan. But, ang channel is not affected. Okay? My channel is not affected. So, ano ang na-copyright claim? So, content identified in this video is listed below. So, ano yung content na na-copyright? Yun ay ang music na ginamit ko dito sa video entitled Pictures of Spain. Ito yung na-copyright na video ko. So, tingnan natin itong part na to. Itong part na identify nila yung music na ginamit ko na nagkaroon ng copyright claim. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Okay, the video cannot be monetized. Okay? So, ito ang options natin. I-replace natin ang song. Pinakamadaling gawin. So, gaano kahaba yun? From 4 minutes and 46 seconds to 9 minutes and 42 seconds. So, mga around, ilan yon? 5 minutes? So guys, ito ang napili natin. Yan ang napili nating song na i-replace dito sa portion na na-copyright claim. Okay, this is from 4 minutes and 46 seconds to 9 minutes and 40 seconds, 43 seconds. So, ito na. Ang napili natin, which is 5 minutes and 4 seconds. I-add lang natin ito. I-click natin yung add. Ayan. So, lalabas na yan dito sa portion na to, yung Dream It. Ang papalit dito sa ginamit kong Pictures of Spain na music. Okay. So, ayan. Guys, isi-save na natin ito. Save that one para mag-replace doon sa previous song na ginamit natin. And then, nakalagay, ready to replace song. Okay, this process might take a while. Once the audio claim has been successfully replaced, we'll update any viewing or monetization restrictions. Users will continue to see the current version of your video until the edits are processed. So, isi-save na po natin yan. Okay? So, now, processing na po siya. Okay, guys. After waiting for a few minutes, ang bilis. We received this notice agad. Only a few minutes. Kasi madaling araw. It's around past 12 or almost 1 o'clock in the morning when I did the correction. So, I think it is better to do the correction in the morning, early morning, like 1 o'clock or midnight. You get a faster response. We can see content identified in this video is listed below. The status overview now is our channel is not affected. No copyrighted content was found in your video, but the monetization is off. Okay, so I have to correct this later. I have to turn it on. So I can now receive monetization from this video I uploaded. Okay, so it's good news. So let's listen to the correction. Okay. Hello guys. So it was in the 4 minutes portion. Okay, let's listen to the correction that we did earlier. So there you go. That's the music which we used in replacement to the previous sound which was copyrighted. So there you go. Okay, it sounds good, and I think it's still compatible with the video I uploaded. Nagmamatch naman, mukhang okay naman yung sounds with the video being shown in this upload. Let's check and find out if this sign is lifted. Okay, this is the video, my latest video that I uploaded. So what will we do? Okay, there's the monetization sign, and I have to turn this on because this video is not being monetized. Let's turn this on. Next. Okay, what's next? None of the above. You have to check this, if how you rated your video overall. So you have to rate your own video. So once you submit your rating, you won't be able to change your responses, so be careful. So you have to check if there is recreational drug content, enabling dishonest behavior, hateful derogatory content, firearms related content, case sensitive events, controversial issues. So if there's none, okay, none of the above. So now we have to submit this. Okay, click submit. There you go, and you see there is the $sign for monetization. This video is being monetized. Yay!